Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss another problem based on the concepts involved in electronic displacement effects. So here the question that is asked here is that we need to write the structures of all the carbocations that can be obtained from 2-methylbutane and also arrange them in the order of decreasing stability. So let's try to draw the structure of 2-methylbutane and see how many different types of carbocations can be obtained from that. So you can see that essentially 4 different types of carbocations can be obtained from 2-methylbutane, which has the following structure, that is methyl at the second carbon and this is the butane. Now you can see that the first carbocation is a primary carbocation where you have the positive charge at this particular carbon atom. There can be another carbocation which is a secondary carbocation where the hydrogen from this particular carbon atom is lost, and in the third structure you can see that when this particular hydrogen atom is lost from this carbon atom you get a tertiary carbocation, and in the fourth structure if you look at this particular carbon where one hydrogen has been lost you get a primary carbocation again. So this is nothing but a primary carbocation, this is a secondary carbocation, this is a tertiary carbocation and this is again a primary carbocation. So you can be very sure that these are the only 4 possible carbocations that can be obtained from 2-methylbutane. Now let's try to order or write the order of the stability of carbocations based on our understanding. We know that order of carbocation based on stability would be tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary, such that this particular structure, that is C greater than B greater than, now you have 2 primary carbocations and you need to decide which among these carbocations will be more stable. So primary will be obviously least stable as compared to secondary and tertiary, but among them we can see that in structure D you have the electron donating methyl group at alpha position, whereas in this particular structure you have the electron donating methyl group at the beta position. So we know that carbocations are highly stabilized by electron donating group because they are electron deficient in nature, such that this particular structure would be more stable because of the closer proximity of electron donating methyl group here at the alpha position as compared to the methyl group present at the beta position. That is, inductive effect decreases with increase in distance. So based on this fact you can easily see that the correct order of stability would be C greater than B greater than D greater than A, that is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary carbocation. I hope you are very clear on the concept that we have discussed here. Thank you.